So now I have to curl my hair. So these are the times that I wish for. I wish I was natural. Oh my Lord. She is Tamika and Tamika is me. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. Hello, gorgeous. Let's get ready with me. All right, guys, welcome. Well, no, this is my outfit. Outfit that I got is from TikTok Shop. Know who B Loves Life is. She did a live on her TikTok back in October, and she had this outfit on blue, but it's really dark blue. It has the zippers on both sides, and it has like this really high slit. Yes, this one is in a small. Yeah, let's get ready. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 24. We got one more day. Okay, it is 9:53 and we supposed to be there at 10 o'clock. We were told 12, but now we're hearing it's 10 o'clock. So you know everything is not going to be set up on time. Everybody's going to be late, blah, 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 which is fine. But your girl has to do her hair. Usually I can do my hair and my makeup within about 30 to 35 minutes. But because I am now relaxed, it's going to take me about 45 minutes just to curl my hair. And I got my wavy talk. I am heating it up. I am putting it on 340. And we are going to go from there. Oh, I do want to share with you that I did pick up this Design Essentials. It is the agave and lavender. You can use this as a heat protectant for blow dry and thermal styling. This is the weightless thermal protectant serum. I use this on London's hair just to kind of straighten it out a little bit because I'm trying to train her curls to be more straight, natural than versus curly. And right now she has it kind of like blown out, but it's not bone straight, but I just try to straighten it out a little bit so that way it's easy to part because that girl is very tender-headed. Okay, so now I have to curl my hair. So these are the times that I wish for. I wish I was natural. Oh my Lord. See, now I'm relaxed. Now I got to curl my hair. Shame on me. I'll be back. I love that look. I was relaxed right there. All right, so again, the time is 11:08 and I'm not even dressed, but I just did my makeup, I did my hair, just gotta put my earrings on. I'm feeling myself. I don't know, it just makes me, relaxed hair to me makes me look more grown up, more adultish. Okay, I kind of like look my age. I'm looking auntie. Before I was looking like somebody's sister. Didn't put on my clothes. Okay, we're getting ready. We're getting ready. Okay. All right, girl. All right, girl. We getting ready. We getting ready together. Ew. Okay. This is the outfit. It's a little tight on the arms. Good Lord. I mean, this was gonna be a little bit more cropped. More like that. That's what I thought. But it's not. It's like this. Which is fine. Wait, I need to pull this down a little bit, cause yeah. Ooh. It's extremely low. So I'm gonna have to walk around like this. That's a little tacky because I don't want to have to do that. I didn't think this dress would be that long on me. Like B-Love, she had it on, but it was kind of still low to the ground, but she had on some like tall heels, like boots, whatnot. So, all right, so the dress is extremely long. This might be a little too much for that. I changed my clothes. Alright, so instead I am just gonna wear this. I got this in a size 8 because I didn't want it to be like so tight on me, you know. So I got this. I'm wearing my New Balance, you know, get that together. And this is what she's wearing to the brunch. I can save that outfit for another time when we actually like dress up. That was just way too over the top to go to a brunch. So I'm going relaxed. Eat because my stomach is growling, okay? I'm hungry.